What's up everybody, it's Siddharth and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI tools. Whether you're a total beginner or you've been dabbling for a while, we've got something for you. So, if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of productivity and creativity, buckle up and hit that like button because things are about to get seriously intelligent. Alright, first up, let's talk ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a free AI tool that can help you with, well, pretty much anything that involves words. Seriously, this thing can write you a poem, a song, a script, a cover letter, even code. Think of it as your AI writing buddy, always there to bounce ideas off of or just help you get those creative juices flowing. You can ask it questions, give it prompts, and it'll generate surprisingly human-like text. And the best part, it's constantly learning and evolving, so it just keeps getting better. I've been messing around with ChatGPT for a while now, and I gotta say it's pretty impressive. I've used it to help me write scripts, brainstorm video ideas, even draft emails when I'm feeling lazy. And you know what? It actually works. Now don't get me wrong, it's not perfect. Sometimes it can be a little repetitive or miss the mark on the tone, but hey, it's free. And with a little tweaking, you can usually get it to produce some pretty amazing stuff. Overall, ChatGPT is a game changer for anyone who works with words. It's like having a personal assistant, brainstorming partner, and writing coach all rolled into one. So if you haven't already, definitely check it out. You might be surprised at what you can create with it. If you're worried about AI taking over the world, don't worry. ChatGPT is here to assure you that it's just here to help. Next up, we're getting visual with DALL-E Mini. This free tool is like having a pocket-sized AI artist at your fingertips. You give it a text prompt, no matter how wacky or specific, and it'll generate an image based on your description. Want to see a cat riding a unicorn through a rainbow? Boom, DALL-E Mini's got you covered. How about a portrait of Elon Musk as a Renaissance king? No problem, just type it in and prepare to be amazed. The best part is, you don't need any artistic skills whatsoever. Just let your imagination run wild, feed your prompts into DALL-E Mini, and watch it work its magic. It's a super fun way to explore creative concepts, generate unique visuals for your projects, or just kill some time with some AI-powered entertainment. Even with its quirks, DALL-E Mini is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to experiment with AI-generated art. So go ahead, give it a try. You might be surprised at what you can create with just a few words and a little help from our AI artist friend. Alright, let's face it, not all of us are grammar geniuses. Sometimes we need a little help with our commas, our subject-verb agreement, the technical stuff. That's where Grammarly comes in, the free AI-powered grammar checker that's here to save us from embarrassing typos and grammatical faux pas. Whether you're writing an email, a blog post, a social media update, or even a dissertation, Grammarly has your back. But Grammarly isn't just about catching typos. It also helps you improve your writing style, clarity, and overall effectiveness. It suggests synonyms, rephrases, awkward sentences, and even checks for plagiarism. It's like having a personal editor, but without the hefty price tag. So if you're serious about putting your best foot forward with your writing, Grammarly is a must-have. It's free, easy to use, and it'll make you look like a writing pro, even if you're secretly still struggling with the difference between your and your. Chapter 4. Google Translate breaking down language barriers. Next up, we're going global with Google Translate. This free tool needs no introduction. It's the OG of language translation, and it's here to help us bridge the communication gap between different cultures and languages. Whether you're traveling to a foreign country, trying to decipher a menu, or just want to understand what that K-pop song is actually about, Google Translate is your trusty sidekick. Just type in the text, select the languages, and voila, instant translation. Machine translation has come a long way, but it's not perfect. Sometimes you get some hilarious mistranslations or awkward phrasing, but hey, it's all part of the adventure, right? But all jokes aside, Google Translate is an incredibly useful tool, especially in today's increasingly interconnected world. Chapter 5, Canva Unleash Your Inner Designer. Alright, let's talk visuals. Canva, the free graphic design platform, is here to empower everyone, even those of us who can barely draw a straight line, to create stunning visuals. Think of Canva as your personal design assistant, packed with templates, stock photos, illustrations, and intuitive editing tools. Whether you need to whip up a social media post, a presentation, a poster, or even a logo, Canva has you covered. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Just drag and drop elements, experiment with different fonts and colors, and boom, you've got yourself a professional-looking design. So, if you're ready to level up your visual game, Canva is the tool for you. It's free, it's fun, and it'll make you look like a design pro, even if you're secretly still figuring out the difference between serif and sans serif fonts. Chapter 6. Jasper AI, the content creation powerhouse, paid. Alright, now it's time to level up to the big leagues with some paid AI tools. First up, we've got Jasper AI, a content creation powerhouse that's like having a whole team of writers at your beck and call. Jasper is built for businesses and marketers who need to create high-quality content at scale. We're talking blog posts, social media updates, website copy, ad copy, you name it, Jasper can handle it. Jasper uses advanced AI models trained on massive data sets of marketing copy and content, so it knows how to write in a way that's engaging, persuasive, and optimized for conversions. Just give Jasper some basic information about your product or service, and it'll do the rest, crafting compelling copy that'll make your audience hit that buy now button. Now, of course, all this power comes at a price, but if you're serious about taking your content marketing to the next level, Jasper is definitely worth considering. Next up on our paid AI tool list, we've got Adobe Sensei, the AI-powered brain behind Adobe's Creative Suite. Now, if you're into photography, graphic design, or video editing, you're probably already familiar with Adobe's powerful software, but Sensei takes things to a whole new level. Think of Sensei as your creative sidekick, using AI to enhance your workflow, automate tedious tasks, and unlock new possibilities within your favorite Adobe apps. For photographers, Sensei offers features like automatic subject selection, intelligent image resizing, and even content-aware fill that can magically remove unwanted objects from your photos. Basically, Sensei is like having a team of digital assistants working behind the scenes, making you look like a creative genius. Chapter 8. IBM Watson, AI for the Enterprise, paid. Alright, let's get serious for a minute and talk about IBM Watson, the AI platform that's not messing around. Watson is designed for businesses and organizations that are looking to integrate AI into their core operations, from customer service to healthcare to finance. We're talking about next-level stuff here, like building chatbots that can handle complex customer inquiries, developing AI models that can analyze massive data sets to identify trends and insights, and even creating personalized experiences for customers based on their individual needs and preferences. Watson isn't for the faint of heart. It's a powerful platform that requires some technical expertise to use effectively. But if you're serious about leveraging the power of AI to transform your business, Watson is definitely worth considering. Chapter 9. DeepL Pro Next Level Translations, paid. Remember Google Translate, our free language buddy? Well, meet DeepL Pro, the paid translation tool that takes things to a whole new level of accuracy and nuance. While Google Translate is great for quick and dirty translations, DeepL Pro is built for professionals who need the highest level of precision and fluency. Whether you're translating legal documents, marketing materials, or even literary works, DeepL Pro can handle it all, producing translations that read like they were written by a native speaker. If you're serious about breaking down language barriers and connecting with a global audience, DeepL Pro is definitely worth the investment. Chapter 10. Lumen 5, AI-powered video creation, paid. Alright, for the final tool on our list, we're circling back to video with Lumen 5, an AI-powered video creation platform that makes it easy for anyone to create professional-looking videos, even if you've never touched a video editing software before. Think of Lumen 5 as your personal video production team, packed with templates, stock footage, music, and intuitive editing tools that make video creation a breeze. Just choose a template, add your text, images, and videos, and Lumen 5 will automatically create a polished video for you, complete with transitions, music, and even voiceover narration. It's perfect for creating social media videos, explainer videos, marketing videos, and more. If you're serious about adding video to your content marketing strategy, it's definitely worth checking out. Outro. So, which AI tool will you choose? And there you have it, guys, our rundown of the top AI tools for beginners, both free and paid. From writing assistants to design wizards to video production powerhouses, these tools are revolutionizing the way we work, create, and communicate. So, which one are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.